Hey guys, welcome back. This week I'm just going to break down this short video I did for a competition. I'm going to do this tutorial video and then upload this video to the competition. So this was a setup in my room. I have my work monitors here, which I've just placed a coat over, and then I have a black scarf lying around, so I use that as the base, and underneath that is an IKEA Lazy Susan stand, which I just used for some of the spinning shots. Behind that was directly the camera, my 70D Canon DSLR camera, with a 18 to 50 millimeter, I believe, lens. Along that, to the left of me, I had my room lamp, which was just set up on my chair underneath some shoe boxes, pointing directly at the Lazy Susan and the can. So I had one directional light coming through. On my left hand side, did I say the lamp was on my right or my left? The lamp was on my right if I'm looking at the can, but on the left is my window, my bedroom window, which was bringing in some natural light. It was too much for this shot, so I pulled the blinds down, but there was enough light coming through to come across to that area. And then directly over here, two boxes I had lying around, my Toy Story tin box, and then under that just a cardboard box. And with that, I use my iPhone and my flash to give it some depth, so separating it from the background and getting this nice reflection light like reflection off the can to give it some sort of dimension, because without it you can see the difference if it was just two directional lighting or even one directional lighting. And that was basically it. So then I did some close-up shots and span the Lazy Susan. I sprayed the can with some Febreze, because it just needed to look like it was a can that had just come out of the fridge. And then with the fruit, I used this that I had, filled it with water. So my original design, I was going to use sparkling water and do the same shot, so falling in, but the sparkling water I had didn't work. So then I just used the water that I had and got the shots that I had for the lemons and the strawberry. For this shot, though, there's one shot in here that I used stock footage from, with the link in the description below, because my probe lens wasn't working, but there's a competition running for that, so check that video out. That's also in the description. I also had some lemon and strawberry shots that didn't actually make it into the final clip, where I used a skewer here, again Febrezed it, and then watched the drips come off. So it worked really well, but didn't quite work with my final flow, so I didn't keep that in. I edited it using a story mode. I showed what the can was. I then broke down what the drink consisted of, and then in between showed elements of me opening the can, me pouring it in, seeing the fizz, and then eventually revealing that it was from Tesco. I chose this one because I saw it while I was shopping in my local supermarket, which is Tesco if you're not from the UK, and just thought, it looks cool, so I might as well just make a funky video out of it. Just to give you a rough idea, the filming took 4 hours with setting it up, filming the shots, packing it away. The editing took another 5 hours on top of that, and I'm still not happy with it, but it's at a good place at the moment. But this is why I was late this week, so apologies for that. But I just wanted to show, this is literally done in my bedroom with a coat jacket, a scarf, and then a board with Lazy Susan on it, and that's it. I shot it, I edited it. I used the lamp and my iPhone and my window for lighting, and that's it. So give it a go, and if any of you guys do, please tag me in it. I'd love to see it, and I'll even share it on my socials and this YouTube channel. As always, hit the like and subscribe button and stay inspired.